Here, Imran Hashmi, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Again, we are having Vishal Bharadwaj, director, writer, and composer. You must have watched entire movies of him because he is the man who has given us a very good cinema. Again, we have S. Hussain Zaidi, author and investigative journalist. Can we have a round of applause? So my question, first of all, from Vishal sir. Yeah, okay. Can we increase the AC? Because it's really hot. Yeah. Also. I guess it's not on.
So, sir? Please,
Yeah. So Vishal sir, my question is from you. You have brought the darkness of crime and politics alive on screen. What potential do you see in Dubai to Karachi for adaptation? Because I feel like you are the best crime director if I have seen your movie and I have grown up your movies. So what is the potential you see in this?
Yeah, I think everybody is curious to know what happened after Dubai and how the story reached Karachi. So it's going to be a very interesting journey, and I think how many books of yours have been adapted into films now? 9. So look at this. 9 books have been adapted into films. So of course, I think this will be 12th or 13th because before that 3-4 more will come. Yeah. So I think when Hussain मुझे यहाँ बुला रहे थे तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि एक ही शर्त पे आऊँगा जब तक मैं पढ़ना लूँ इसके राइट्स आप किसी को नहीं देंगे तो हुसैन फंस गए बोले हाँ ठीक है.
Okay, that's really nice. And the next question is for Imran. You have played roles inspired by the romance. Recently, Awara Pan 2 is coming. We have seen the teaser and we are really excited. Can we cheer up louder, everyone? And I have been a good fan of Ground Zero. I have watched it and it was amazing, the good work again. So what part of Dubai to Karachi hits you, or how you see when it is about anything related to underworld character or any character, you have played this kind of character. So how you see these kind of character, doing on the screen?
Good evening, everyone. I think not working. Hello, yeah. Good evening, everyone. How you guys doing? It's nice to be here. जब हुसैन जी ने कहा कि ये अपनी अगली किताब लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, I got very excited because I've been an ardent big, I guess, I've read a lot of his books, and when he said that this is a sequel of Black Friday, I got even more excited because I remember reading that book back in the day and loving it. So I actually downloaded this book on my Kindle and I'm almost done reading it. It's, I think, true to his style of writing, and because of his experience as an investigative journalist, the kind of detail that he's brought to this book, the fact-checking, the research, and I really want to know from him how long did it take him to write this, because some of the chapters are so detailed, the names, the numbers, the figures that he's put across in the book are so astounding, especially for me, someone who's always been kind of fascinated with this world. And it's no mystery because the characters that I've played, they've all been inspired from this world, maybe Once Upon a Time Mumbai or, Jannat, which is the darker side of cricket. But it's amazing how he's kind of just constructed those chapters, and also it's so thrilling, so pacey, and it's one of those books that's constantly, you want to get to the end, chapter after chapter. So it's been quite an experience. And I would just kind of urge the readers to go out there and get their copy. I believe it's been on the stands for a month and a half now, right?
Couple of months, in stores.
Yeah, so that's what kind of strikes me. His books are always those, like they say, unputdownable experiences that you have to get to the end, and I'm loving it.
Okay, that's great. And what kind of character you want to like? I mean, you would like to play in this movie? It's again, I'll say like a character which is
In this movie, as in.
like in this case, it's gonna happen. Yeah. So
Well,
what
you
kind
know,
of character?
actually, speaking of this, I mean, this venue, we've already launched 2 more books with Hussain ji and also with Bilal here. We did Bar of Blood. So there was this question that was asked in one of the press conferences that, you know, you love Bar of Blood, and if you get a chance to play this character, would you? I said, I'd love to. So I'm just putting it out there. If there's a film ever made on this, you know who to call. I've already played the journey up to the 70s, so we can always extend it beyond that. Yeah.
So how challenging it is to play such characters, I mean Daud or any underworld Don characters, because you're an actor, and I guess this is something really challenging as per seeing you on the screen. Is it really challenging or sort of?
I think you know it's like any other role that you do. I think what happens essentially in the Hindi film industry is that first of all it's not a documentary. It's for entertainment. So a lot of this, there's obviously we're inspired by this world. Writers and directors source information from books like the ones he writes, and of course anecdotes. But then eventually you have to put the 5 songs and the action sequences and the love stories. So if you really want to know about the underworld, you should just read one of his books or watch a documentary. For entertainment, you should watch Once Upon a Time Mumbai. Yeah, so
Well, he played Big D actually.
So Vishal sir, one question is from you as well. So I mean, does a character like Daud challenge your creativity? I know it's not deep, but I want to know that, and they want to know that. Do you see art in his arc, or like something related to only power or related to fear? Because character like Daud is something really, I mean, challenging. So what kind of creativity you put in, and it makes a cinema?
I don't think it's challenging at all. In fact, it's so inviting and so juicy. You know, if you like I've been saying a lot of times that if you release 2 films together, one is on Daud Ibrahim and one is on Swami Vivekanand, the tickets will be sold for Daud Ibrahim more than Swami Vivekanand. So yeah, so nobody is interested in the saints. We are interested in the devils. And this world is so fascinating because उसमें जो ग्रे ब्लैक एंड वाइट के बीच में जो ग्रे आता है वो एरिया बिकॉज समटाइम्स दे आर रॉबिन हुड समटाइम्स दे आर किलर समटाइम्स दे आर ब्रदर्स फादर्स daughters. So this is a very fascinating world, the way they switch. So I don't think it's challenging at all. In fact, every filmmaker's dream has been to create Godfather. All the filmmakers at some point they want to make Godfather. So that's why this world will keep calling us back and again and again and again.
So recently we are actually seeing cinema is growing, and also there are some challenges we are facing as an entertainment industry. I would like to ask what kind of content we should more towards whether it should be content should be related to any crime or anything, what kind of content which should be there on the screen, so that because audience are getting really I guess smart as it comparatively, because we are having Netflix, we are having Amazon Prime, OTT, we have all the access towards international cinema. So as a director, I want to know that what kind of content and what kind of homework we should do as a director. I am just keen to know, because yeah.
I mean, to directors you are asking this question.
He wants to be director.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
maybe I mean I just want
I wish वो फॉर्मूला किसी को पता होता कि क्या चलता है और क्या नहीं चलता है, और we are in I think one of the worst phase of creative challenges in our film industry. We are in the worst phase because nobody knows what is working. There's hardly any money. बहुत एकदम सब सूख गया.
That's why I asked it.
So that's why I'm saying nobody knows, because what works. Nobody knows, and nobody has ever known what works. सब एक चीज़ चलती है, उसके पीछे हम लोग एक फॉर्मूले की तरह चलते हैं उसके पीछे. तो वो कुछ अभी तो वो भी नहीं हो रहा है कि एक चीज़ जैसी बनी दोबारा वैसी चले, उसका भी कुछ पता नहीं। तो ये एक बड़ी अच्छी बात है कि वो अनसर्टेनिटी जो है, जो हम अननोन की तरफ लेके जा रही है, तो अननोन इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल।
That's great, and I think we should keep working and keep getting the work, and it's gonna hit somewhere, and I guess. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause? The author of the book, S. Hussain Zaidi. So, I have a question. Like, you have explored the underworld in many of your works, right? And what makes Dubai to Karachi different and perhaps more dangerous?
Oh, see, when I have two fantastic friends here, I mean Imran and Vishal ji, I'm totally speechless to articulate my thoughts here. But the whole thing is कि इस किताब के ज़रिए मेरा सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था कि I'm going to write sequels for two books, Black Friday and Dongri Dubai, and combine them into one. यानी I think Vishal will agree with my problem कि अगर किसी मूवी की सीक्वल बनाना है तो एक मूवी में दो मूवीज़ की सीक्वल कंबाइन करना बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज होगा। सो ब्लैक फ्राइडे अपने आप में एक सेमिनल किताब थी, उसकी कुछ कहानी बची हुई थी, और डोंगरी दुबई भी एक लेवल पे आके रुक गई थी दुबई में। सो फॉर मी द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज वाज हाउ टू डू दिस। नाउ इमी जस्ट रेज्ड अ क्वेश्चन के कितने साल लगे। आई गेस कि डोंगरी दुबई केम आउट इन 2012। सो मैंने तकरीबन 12 साल लगाए इस चीज़ को करने में कि दुबई से कराची तक क्या हुआ। और उस ज़माने में बाद में सीबीआई ने मुंबई क्राइम ब्रांच का छोड़ा हुआ अधूरा काम कैसे पूरा किया। दैट्स हाउ दिस इज द सीक्वल फॉर ब्लैक फ्राइडे एज वेल एज डोंगरी दुबई। ये मेरा सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है इस किताब में।
And what was your tense or eye-opening moment while researching for this book? Like,
मुझे एक आदमी ने इस पूरी किताब मेरा पढ़ेंगे तो आप देखेंगे, एक आदमी का नाम था कमाल हसन।
yes, yes.
कमाल हसन, तो आई मीन हम लोग लगता है इट्स वी टॉकिंग अबाउट कमल हासन। इस आदमी ने मुझे बहुत सताया है। इस पूरी किताब में पढ़ेंगे।
I have read that.
या एक छोटी सी चीज़ के लिए वो मुझे मुंबई से स्टॉकहोम बुलाता था, और वो सिर्फ 4 घंटे की मीटिंग लिए इतना ट्रैवल करा के मुझको एक चीज़ समझाता था। उसने एक छोटी सी मुलाकात के लिए मुझे आईफा अवार्ड में बुलाया, और मैं वहाँ बैठ के तकरीबन 3 घंटा में सबको देख रहा था। एंड द मोमेंट व्हेन कमाल जी यानी कमल हासन जी जब स्टेज पे थे, उस वक्त ये आदमी इंटरप्ट होता है, और बहुत हैंडसम सा शॉन कनरी लुक अलाइक, बहुत बढ़िया से कपड़े पहने हुए, हेलो माय नेम इज कमाल हसन। अब मैं उनको देखूंगी, इसको देखूँ। सो यानी दैट वाज द मोमेंट दैट आई हैव गॉन थ्रू दिस एंटायर बुक। अब देखिए छोटी छोटी चीज़ें सताई है उसने मुझे कैसे की, बट द बुक, ही इज अ मैन, द सूत्रधार हु हैज केप्ट द होल बुक टुगेदर। ही इज अ पाकिस्तानी, he tells me inner secrets of Pakistan, like about Javed Mirdad, about Imran Khan, about Nawaz Sharif, about Dawood Ibrahim। और फिर एक सेंटेंस उसका जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, वो कहता है कि आपके शहर के एक गुंडे ने हमारे मुल्क पर हुकूमत करना शुरू कर दी है। सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज हियर। सो आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट ही मेंट, दैट समवन, सम स्मॉल गून फ्रॉम योर सिटी हैज स्टार्टेड रूलिंग आवर कंट्री। सो अजीब बात थी जो which you will read in this book and understand.
And I have read that scene, so personally I'm telling you that scene is really, I mean, catchy, and it's really beautiful written, because that was something, as you mentioned, for you. Okay, so last question is for you, sir, then we'll be having...
One question I want to ask from Imran.
Okay, then, yeah, sure.
I would ask you one question. What was more entertaining, the award ceremony or what he was narrating during the award ceremony? I got my answer, it's okay.
I did not choose to meet him there. He chose to meet me. He said, "आप अबू धाबी आ जाना, मैं आपको वहाँ ढूंढ लूँगा."
What an unfortunate venue, sir.
I know. But yes, it was like meeting him was very interesting actually. जो कहानियाँ उसने सुनाई, what he told me was fantastic. जी. So can I ask just one question from both of them? We can unveil the book and we can end this. Yeah. So Amy, I want to ask you, you have played Dawood's character once in your life. Would you be open to playing this again if offered the role to you?
I've actually got it offered a lot of times after Once Upon a Time released. And yeah, I've always been fascinated with grey characters, and there's always been this tilt. Even when I was a kid, I think I was watching more films of Martin Scorsese and Goodfellas and all those kind of films. I don't know, there's always been a fascination. Yeah. So the problem is constructing that character and pitching it to the audience, especially right now, depending on where you go with a film like this, right? Because like he said, theatrical is a big question mark of what exactly works in theatrical. I think if I have to play this character in today's times, I think OTT would be the best.
Okay.
Because at least you get the 7 or 8 episodes to play it through.
Yeah.
I think it's unfortunate that you have to kind of make it so concise. It tell the story of about in 2 hours. It'll be doing that character a lot of disservice, especially after reading a book and seeing the trajectory and so much of detail in it. You'll need probably a couple of seasons to play this character out. So I would love to do it. Yeah, I would love to.
थैंक यू विशाल जी, एक क्वेश्चन आपसे मेरा, आपने ओमकारा के बाद से सीरियसली कोई माफिया या कोई अंडरवर्ल्ड फिल्म को एग्जैक्टली टारगेट नहीं किया है. डू यू हैव एनीथिंग इन योर प्लान्स कि एक और गहरी माफिया जैसी अंडरवर्ल्ड जैसी एक फिल्म बनाई जाए?
या मेरी नेक्स्ट फिल्म जो है वो बहुत ही उसमें डीप अंडरवर्ल्ड है ऑफ द 90s.
अच्छा.
या और वो आपकी कहानी पे ही है.
अच्छा. Do you want to tell the audience? They must be very curious.
No, I think we should keep that as a secret because otherwise everybody will know what's going to happen in the story.
Okay. So apart from that, would you ever think after that story, after that movie, कि कुछ और आप माफिया, जैसे कि इमरान कह रहे हैं कि एक सीरीज होना चाहिए, इसमें फिल्म में नहीं हो पाएगा. So do you ever think about making a series on mafia type, गहरी अंडरवर्ल्ड टाइप की स्टोरी?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि अब जो इसमें डिटेल जो मुझे तो पढ़नी है किताब
जी,
तो अगर इतनी डिटेल है तो आपको सीरीज वो एक्सपेंड करने का मौका देती है, आपको कैरेक्टर के साथ रहने का मौका देती है.
जी.
बहुत ही कैरेक्टर ड्रिवन होता है, जबकि सिनेमा फिल्म हमारी जो है बहुत प्लॉट ड्रिवन होती है.
जी.
तो आई थिंक इट विल बी ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मेक सीरीज ऑन दिस.
Okay. And which of my book was like which you like the most, which you feel is the best book of mine, which you have read so far?
This is a very unfair question, but I think your first book, The Mafia Queens of Mumbai, not the first book, but that book,
Black Friday.
which and Black Friday. They were, and still I have to read this, but all your books have been great. So it's very difficult to say कि कि मेरे जो दोस्त हैं उनमें कौन मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद है, कौन मुझे कम पसंद है.
मैं आई थिंक नॉट मेनी पीपल वुड नो कि जब मैंने माफिया क्वींस लिख ली थी, मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट रेडी थी, तब मुझे आई वांटेड समवन टू राइट द फॉरवर्ड फॉर दैट बुक एंड आई डिडंट नो, आई वाज वेरी अनश्योर. मैं पहली बार महिलाएं अपराधियों के ऊपर कुछ लिख रहा था. यू नो, आई कंसीडर वुमेन आर वेरी डेंजरस. डोंट मिसअंडरस्टैंड दिस. आई मीन आई होल्ड देम इन हाई एस्टीम, बट मैंने पहले हिम्मत करके एक कहानी भी लिखी थी जहाँ पे आई टॉक्ड अबाउट वुमेन क्रिमिनल्स एंड आई वांटेड अ फ्रेंड हु कैन काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट मी एंड प्रोटेक्ट मी इन केस देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. सो मैंने विशाल से कहा, वुड यू बी ओपन टू राइटिंग अ फॉरवर्ड? ही वाज वेरी जनरस. ही सेड क्यों नहीं. एंड बिलीव मी, इनका फॉरवर्ड वो किताब के फ्रंट कवर पे है जिसने इस किताब को बहुत बेचा. मतलब द वे दिस बुक गॉट सोल्ड, इट इज बियॉन्ड माई ड्रीम्स, आई कैन टेल यू. सो खाली इमरान से लास्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. So, Amy, which is my favorite book that you like?
Again, it's a tough call. I think I've enjoyed all the
एक भी
reading
नाम देख, मैं बुरा नहीं
experiences.
मानूंगा. He's saying कि unfair question है, but I'll not feel bad.
I would say Black Friday.
Okay.
I really enjoyed that. I'm enjoying this also, but I think because that was at that time I read it, I really enjoyed that read, and that kind of drew me to this also because I know the takeoff point
Fantastic.
for this.
Okay. Thank you, man. Thank you. So we can now.
We can, but there are some short questions, like just 2 minutes, yeah.
Both of them are busy.
Yeah, I understand. So my question is from you. In one word, what does power mean to you?
What does power mean to me?
In one word.
I don't know. I guess it's in a way status. It's control.
And complete the sentence. Crime stories are important because.
I don't know. I was doing it accidentally, but started selling, so I started doing it.
Okay. And sir, if truth is stranger than fiction, what truth shocked you the most while working on any sort of, I guess, like any sort of direction you have did for the movies?
No, I didn't get the question.
The question is like, if truth is stranger than fiction, what truth shocked you?
Truth is stranger than fiction.
Yeah.
You were saying the other way. The
Yeah,
fiction
yeah,
is the-
yeah.
Truth is stranger than fiction.
Yeah. What truth shocked you the most while working on any sort of directions you have did? I mean, any direction you did like before, anything shocked you, like any sort of stories which you felt like, you know, is really, really shocking, or like you're making it for the cinema?
Yeah, I think the character of Langla Tyagi was really for me, because I know that person in reality. So when I converted it into a film, it was a totally different experience for me.
Okay, thank you so much. And now we're ready for the launch, and yeah. So can we have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? It's the moment which we were waiting for is here. Dubai to Karachi, the Dawood saga continues, and here we go. Everyone, can we clap? Join your hands together, everyone. I guess I have gone through 34 chapters. I got this book last night and I'm just reading. I'm on the 34th chapter, Mumbai to Mafia. So yes, I think you guys should purchase it. It will be available here in that store. And after that, you'll be also getting author signed copies. I need somebody from the titles. Audience Q&A. Huh. Huh. Yes, yes, I'm getting the mic. Mic now. Yes, yes.
Okay, can we? Okay, cool.
You can
this is an open question. So you've made Dawood Ibrahim synonymous with the city of Mumbai. There are, and back then, this is before my time, there would be a lot of other criminal masterminds as well. Are there any plans to make them equally famous, not like by design, but to work on their life as well? I mean, I would have names like Dashrath Rane or Sunil Sawant, who was not as famous, but
They all are there in the book. They all are playing cameo in the Dongri Dubai and other books of mine. So they are there. Dawood is like the biggest among them. Actually, all these guys were working for Dawood at one point of time. So I think beyond Dawood, Rasa, like making a movie on Mukri or Jagdeep, that kind of thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so there. Okay.
विशाल सर, आपके लिए सवाल है, वो सपना दीदी का क्या हो गया? इरफान के बाद आप फिल्म जो कर रहे हैं वही है, या दीपिका रहेगी फिल्म में, या इरफान के बाद आप वो फिल्म बनाने वाले नहीं है? स्क्रिप्ट हुसैन जैदी की थी, रेडी थी, सब कुछ फिल्म जाने वाली थी, पर इरफान का ट्रेजेडी हो गया, तो उसके बाद आपका मन टूट गया क्या पिक्चर?
जी नहीं, मैं बनाऊंगा उसे दोबारा, बिल्कुल बनाऊंगा।
तो वही कास्ट रहेगा या इरफान की जगह किसी को लेने का आपने सोचा है सपना दीदी को?
जी लेना ही होगा ना।
नहीं, किसको लेने का सोच, अरे नहीं, किसको लेने का सोचा है भाई? मैं कह रहा सवाल वो नहीं था, सवाल था
जब उस पर पहुंचेंगे तो
आप जो अभी जो फिल्म अनाउंस की, आप जो काम कर रहे हैं वही फिल्म
उसके
है?
बारे में बात नहीं कर सकता मैं।
That's a secret. अगर रिवील कर देंगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो
सर
जाएगा.
आप भी तो बताइए इसके बारे में।
थोड़ा क्यूरियोसिटी होना चाहिए. Thank you. Anyone else? Yeah.
Just 2-3 questions, please.
Yeah, sure.
Hello sir, actually I have a question with Zaidi sir. So current situation of mafia, like what would you say? Like 90s we all know from your books and stuff, but currently what is the situation?
Now these guys have become too cerebral. They are not violent anymore. They don't kill. They threaten, and they do a lot of things online. I mean, in the sense के उनको अगर करना होता है तो Google पे करते हैं, या all those things. So they have become now smarter according to the technological development. So काम तो चालू है अलग तरीके से.
Yeah, hello. So my question is for Imran sir. So I had some questions, but I've forgotten everything. I'm a big fan of yours.
Whatever you remember, you can ask whatever you remember.
Yeah, like
Anything comes to mind.
yeah. So as a reader, like what has been your top read this year, apart from Zaidi sir's book?
I had read this book. I'm actually still reading it. The Wisdom of Psychopaths.
Oh, I'll add it to my TBR.
Yeah, it's an interesting read.
If you
It's,
say I will read it.
Yeah, you should. I don't want to give it away on what the book's about, but it's quite an interesting read.
Sure. Thank
You
you.
see,
so much.
my mind works in all these places only. Gangsters, psychopaths.
गैंगस्टर साइकोपैथ।
भूषण सर, सवाल मेरा आपसे ये है, हाय माय नेम इज आयुषम फ्रॉम बजूका।
जी।
कहीं ना कहीं नसरुद्दीन सर ने एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा था कि हमारे हिंदी सिनेमा में जिनकी मेहनत बहुत है उनका मेहनताना बहुत कम है, फिर वो पैसे से हो या फिर क्रेडिट से हो। सो डू यू थिंक दैट कि आज भी लेखक, राइटर या जिनका मेहनताना बहुत ज़्यादा होता है एक फिल्म बनाने को, उनको उतना क्रेडिट मिलता है?
जी नहीं, ये इंडस्ट्री में लोग सबसे कम वैल्यू लेखक को देते हैं और सबसे कम पैसे भी उसी को देते हैं, और प्रोड्यूसर्स चाहते हैं कैसे पैसे बचाए जाएं, तो दे वोंट माइंड स्पेंडिंग मनी एल्सवेयर, बट जब लेखक आता है तब कॉर्नर्स कट करते हैं। मैं किसी प्रोडक्शन हाउस को जानता हूँ जो सारी फिल्म बनने के बाद बोले थे यार 10% डिस्काउंट दे दो, तो लाइक आई कैन टेल यू मोर बियॉन्ड दिस।
Imran, could you please tell us something about your workout regime? We all girls wants to know क्या secret है इसके पीछे?